Working on this portrait of Moses, Aaron, and Hur, the 30 by 40 acrylic on canvas depiction of the Amalekite battle. And just want to show you a couple of things in relation to what I call halation. And that's where we add some warmer tones next to the juxtaposition between light and dark values. So for example, we've got this kind of reddish hue, which this is depicting a battle scene, and it's very, kind of abstract looking when you get up close. But my goal is to not over detail the background, but just give enough visual information that this could look like a battle, when you view it at a distance. And so I'm using some pyrrole orange and Indian yellow, and that's a nice vibrant color here that I really love to use. And with a round brush, just applying that at these little junctures. Here's the reference photo I'm pulling from, but a lot of it I just have to invent because I haven't done a lot of battle scenes before. I can't really find too many, on the internet to be able to paint from, an ancient battle scene with the same lighting scenario. We've got extreme lighting, hitting just the edges of the subjects, so the light would be, off camera, so to speak, would be way off to the left side. That's where the sun would be, kind of behind the clouds or close to that area. And so we're having kind of a strong illumination. Most of the subjects are in shadow, and we need to continue that same lighting scenario here for the soldiers in battle. And so that's why, again, I'm just trying to create that sense of that low sunlight in the sky, adding, again, what I call halation. And this is, I have another video on that you could check out on this channel here. But halation, again, just that juxtaposition, between light and dark values and adding a warmer tone at that juxtaposition. It's something that the artist Wayne Thiebaud used quite a bit. And you can see some of his work. He was kind of his styles were a mixture of realism and abstraction. But he really used this technique quite a bit. And, I would say I learned it from him, not directly, but just indirectly in observing his work. Decided to really spice things up. See how I'm adding these warmer colors right around the light values? Again, it just really seems to give it a lot of energy, and especially for this kind of lighting scenario, adds a lot. But this is how we do the halation technique, and you'll see I have it incorporated here on Moses' face. I have these warmer tints right again at that juxtaposition between light and dark. If you use that on your portraits, it's going to make a big difference. Here on the face of Hur, we have that as well. We also have it on the edges of where his clothing is illuminated. Warm tints right on the edge of that juxtaposition between the light and dark values, those high areas of contrast. And we have that also taking place here. We've got it going on the rocks. So all throughout the image, even on the staff and the clouds, we're using that particular technique to really give the painting some visual impact. So this is where we're at right now. And it's getting pretty close to being done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and look forward to seeing you around. Check out my website, realisticacrylic.com, where I have tips, tutorials, all kinds of good things to help you in your portrait painting and even just acrylic painting in general. All right, God bless. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.